What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on a faux ponytail with curly hair extensions. I will be using hair from HerGivenHair. It is a 4A to 4C coily texture and I am absolutely in love with this hair. It looks so natural. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So as you can see here, I've already prepped my natural hair. I've already molded it down, did my baby hairs, and plaited it to prepare for the faux extensions. So to get a lengthy ponytail, you want to plait it and start from the bottom of your plait and work your way up. Of course, some people just do the bun method where they just put it in a tight bun and wrap it around the rubber band, but that does not create length for you. So this will be the best method for that. So this will be the bobby pin method, and I am going to start by working my way from the bottom of the plait up. So I will start at the bottom, bobby pin that first track down, and I'm just going to work my way up while wrapping the hair around the plait. You don't have to use a certain amount of bobby pins as long as you know that it's secured and you have faith that your ponytail will not fall off, then you will be set. So I did use this hair previously for micro links, so my tracks are cut into pieces. So after a while I had to just continuously use those cut pieces, and I just made it work. I finessed it. So I would take one end of the track and layer it with another track and just bobby pin it down as if it was one track. Of course, it will be a lot easier if you just have one long track to work with, but you can finesse it either way. So once I got to the top, I just wrapped that last track around the rubber band and bobby pinned that down as well to secure it. Once you do that, you want to take a small amount of hair and wrap it around that rubber band and track so that no one or you can't see that track showing. And then I just took my Got to Be Glued holding spray, used it as glue basically, and sprayed it down around that piece to keep it intact and secure. You can do it however you want to do it, whatever makes you feel best. After doing that, as you can see, I just took some regular water, sprayed down my ponytail to give it some hydration, and then I took my curly custard to moisturize and give it a good curl definition. You can use whatever you want, do it however you want. If you want to just leave it how it is, that's totally up to you, but I like to moisturize my curly extensions, so that is what I did here. So after doing all of that wrapping of the extensions, my hair in the back got a little frizzy. So I just took some of my Eco Styler gel and a little bit of Spritz to mold that back down. And I did the same with the front. And then I just secured it down with my hair wrap. And here are the finishing touches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know if there's any ideas or suggestions that you all want me to do. Yeah, I really hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for your support thus far. Bye.